How to know if YouTube TV free trial is truly free. Step number 1, understand authorization holds. YouTube TV may place a temporary authorization hold on your payment method during the trial signup. This hold is not an actual charge and will disappear within a few days. Step number 2, monitor your payment method. Regularly check your credit card or bank statement after signing up. Ensure no unexpected charges appear during the trial period. Step number 3, review trial terms and conditions. Read the free trial terms carefully during the sign-up process. Note the duration of the trial and when charges will begin if you don't cancel. Step number 4, cancel before the trial ends. To avoid being charged, cancel your YouTube TV subscription before the trial expires. Cancellation can be done in the settings section under membership. Step number 5, check for add-on subscriptions. Verify that you haven't selected any paid add-ons or extra channels during the sign-up. These extras may result in additional charges. Step number 6, contact YouTube TV support if unsure. If you have questions or notice any charges, contact YouTube TV customer support for clarification.